My name is only 70.
She's 71 pounds.
Oh yeah, she's 71. Send it to your Molly.
She's such a good girl.
Oh, she's hiding her face.
Hey, Molly.
Molly.
Look at the camera. Can you make a video?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
This is me and Molly. I'm pushing her in.
Me. And this is Dude.
Pushing her in the pram.
Dude, come back. Get in the shot.
Aww.
There he is.
You're a beautiful boy, aren't you?
Now you can push the pram. Well,
Do you want some of them?
I do.
Well, they jump around.
Hi, dude. Where are you? There you are.
Oh, you're so
Let's
cute.
get Connor in it.
Yeah, let's take a video of Connor.
Yeah, I'll just film Connor. Hi, Connor. Hi, Connor. How are you? Connor.
You're such a pretty boy, aren't you?
Connor, look at the camera.
Oh, thanks, babe. I'm just filming Molly being pushed in the pram. Molly.
She's going to get out now
Oh, yeah.
because she wants to eat this.
Oh, she's seen something. Yum. Oh, yeah, she's doing it. What you got, Molly? What you got? She's a bit high up, though.
Can you lift her up and she'll stand up on it.
Now let's take a video
That's
of
it, Jessie.
Connor.
These are chicken hearts.
Oh, yummy.
Can we?
Yeah, hang on, babe. We're just watching them do a trick for Auntie Jenny.
And
Oh!
Oh my god, Connor, you're so clever.
You're... Wow, you could be in the circus. Look at you.
Oh, I love chicken hearts.
Molly can.
Oh, Molly.
Oh, Molly. Yummy treats.
They used to actually use these as, those little dogs.
Now
that are
time for Dude. What
in
about
France.
Dude?
Oh, yeah.
Why doesn't Dude get in it?
He's being very polite.
He's waiting like a good boy, aren't he?
Oops. Sorry, I dropped it. Yeah.
Oh. All right, there we go.